Hello everyone, I hope you all had a fabulous Thanksgiving. I'm a little late in getting this video out, but I'm just sharing a bit of my Thanksgiving with my family. So the first thing I'm doing is putting together a simple pumpkin pie, 1 can of pie filling, a deep dish pie shell, and a can of condensed sweet milk, and a couple of eggs. And then I just sprinkle my pie with a little bit of cinnamon and pop it into the oven. So, hello everybody. So this morning I got up and I started with making the pumpkin pie. It's in the refrigerator. It smelled my whole house like Thanksgiving / Christmas. It's such a tempting thing to eat for breakfast this morning, but I'm not going to do it. But I am putting my ham in the crock pot. Now, this is the first time I've ever done a spiral ham in a crock pot. I do have a video that has a lot of views on it where I just put one of those small hams that's pre-sliced in the crock pot, which you can do if you're not feeding a lot of people. But I went for the spiral ham. I took all the wrappings off of it, and then I put, as you can see here, pineapples in there. This came with a packet of seasoning. I added it to the pineapple juice and poured it through all of it. And I have it on high right now, and I'm going to loosely cover it with aluminum foil and the lid because it's obviously really big, but it'll be fine. I have a liner in here, and for whatever reason, the liner will not fit this one, but the liner will fit this one. But they both look like the same size, but apparently this one must be a little bigger, so that's why I went with putting the ham in this one. So I'm going to get this covered so it'll cook up. Okay, I'm doing scalloped potatoes in the crock pot, and if you've never made scalloped potatoes in the crock pot, you're not the only one. This is the first time me doing it. But my dad loves scalloped potatoes, and I thought that I would make something specifically for him because, you know, he does so much for us. So you want to I can't even talk. You want to thinly slice your potatoes. There's 3 pounds of potatoes in here, peeled and sliced into rounds. So you're going to spray your crock pot with nonstick cooking spray. You're going to layer in your potatoes in the bottom. You're going to drizzle a little chicken stock, a little bit of heavy whipping cream. You're going to do a little Parmesan and a little bit of mild cheddar cheese, and you're just going to continue layering until you get to the top and cover it with cheese. I have it on high to start with just to heat this bad boy up, and there you go. I'm going to clean up the mess now. Day before Thanksgiving, my parents are on their way. I don't know if traffic is bad or not bad. I do have my scalloped potatoes in there, but my ham does not seem like it is getting done like it ought to. So I'm going to give it till 3 o'clock, and then I'm going to check it. If I don't think it's cooking up in that crock pot, I'm going to take it out and stick it in the oven. I got the tree all lit up over here. I think you guys can see that. I've got the tree behind me all lit up, as well as the Christmas village. So that's done. And yeah, so we got a little Christmas, a little Thanksgiving going on. I think we're going to go out shopping and do a little Black Friday shopping. I do know that we want to go to the Bargain Barn. If you have never been to the Bargain Barn and you live in West Virginia, because I don't know that the Bargain Barn exists anywhere else, they get various stuff in, and it's pretty inexpensive. I don't even know that I'll buy anything, but I am going to go over there and see what they have, because sometimes during the holidays, they will get new items in. And my mom likes to buy laundry detergent over there. You can buy an entire gallon of Tide for, I think it was $15. They have cleaners, they get food in, they get boxes of candy bars, they get household items, they get toboggans, and they get lamps, they get pictures. They get purses. They get wallets. I mean, anything that you can think of, they get in there. And that is where Mom and I usually go and get our flowers in the springtime. And I will tell you, the flowers that we got this year at spring, we got them from the Bargain Barn, and those were ultimately the best flowers, hands down, that I've ever planted. And my mom got tomato plants, and those were hands down the best tomato plants that she has ever grown. And they got tons and tons of tomatoes this year. So, yes. So, it is right now, it is 2:23. And my parents are supposed to be here anytime between 3 and 3:30. So I'm looking forward to it. So my ham came out perfect. Scalloped potatoes were to die for. And we had baked beans that I added in bacon. This is the next morning, Thanksgiving Day. And I'm starting to saute my onion, my celery with a little bit of butter, and mix it with my stuffing mix, and I'm going to stuff my bird. I've got the crock pot with some green beans loaded in there. And here is my sweet potato casserole getting ready to go into the oven. This was my favorite thing in the whole world. And there is my turkey in the oven. So, oh my goodness, the food was delicious. The turkey was moist. Everybody ate really, really good this year. There's my sweet potato casserole. It was divine. My green beans. And we had Texas Roadhouse buns with the Texas Roadhouse butter, along with cranberry sauce and some deviled eggs. And there is my plate. And we're going to cut the pumpkin pie. We also had pecan pie that kind of crumbled a little bit, but it was okay because there was no leftovers. But there is the piece of the pumpkin pie. And then the next day we got up and we went Black Friday shopping at Menards. I love Menards. I think it is the most festive store to go to at Christmas time because there's so much to look at, and they have all the inflatables. And they have all the lights going, and they set up their Christmas trees almost like it's like a winter wonderland to walk through, as you can see here. And all the lights are going, and music is playing, and Santa talks to you as you walk through. It just really puts you in a festive mood. Thank you, Menards, for doing that, because I look forward to this every single year, and it's kind of tradition for my mom and I to go to Menards on Black Friday and kind of have a good peruse around. I think that all their trees, all their lights are just exquisitely beautiful. We have such a good time every time we go. The snowflakes, there's the Grinch. He was as cute as could be. These were beautiful. I love these kind of glass-looking yard displays. Such a really pretty. They got a lot of Christmas Village, and if you've been watching me a long time. And we got a little carried away here with the displays. Mom had to push all the buttons. No, don't push anymore. They'll all fall off. They look like they're dancing together. So here is a slice of our pecan pie. It was a huge hit, along with various photos of the food, my family. I hope that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching Heidi's Home. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you again soon. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.